morning guys, welcome back to the channel, and in this episode we're completing my 2021 Mercedes A35 AMG. And if you watch it to the end, when one build ends, you know stuff has to happen. I've got two major announcements. We're gonna be wrapping up this build in this video, so watch to the end. You're gonna wanna see this. So guys, in the last episode, we prepped these two panels, which is the passenger side wing, front bumper. We prepped all of these bits, we got it sprayed. It's been baking, it's a few days later, I've just come in. It's literally 8 AM in the morning, I'm super tired, but I wanna drive this car, I wanna wrap up this build, because I've got something coming that I need you guys to see. And I made a decision. It's a hard decision that I had to make, but you'll know more at the end of this video. But for now, what I'm gonna do is get all the grills, get that brand new aerial kit that I picked up, reassemble this front bumper, and then I'm gonna be fitting both of these onto the A35, and then we can start to do the polishing and literally get that build completed. Let's go. So guys, this is that lower grille for the front bumper that was broken, as you can see. So, out of that one, and I picked up a brand new unit from Mercedes. Now I'm putting a bit of pressure, but I've also got my hands underneath so that I don't damage, obviously, the bumper or that fresh paint. These things just go together like a giant puzzle, man. I can't remember which one goes first. I'm just doing a quick check to see something. Yeah, I'm right. The grill goes first. This is the little cutout for the grill. This is off. See guys, this thing is like a big giant puzzle. I've put in these little side inserts right there. I've put in this little side insert here. This grill has gone in. Look at this bottom lip. Oh, this bottom lip looks amazing. Pan American grill has gone in. Mercedes badge in gloss black has gone in. I'll just clean everything up. But this is the bit that I was a little bit worried about. So on the car, I've tried to reuse as many pieces of the original aerial kit as I can. Obviously, in the accident, this main one here at the bottom was completely broken. So this is the one from the little kit that I bought. These little side fins from the aerial kit that I bought on eBay. But these are the original ones. Obviously, it feels a better quality. It just needs a bit of a polish. So I'm gonna try to reuse these. Let me know if you think that's a good idea. I'll try to reuse these and these little fins as well. That's from the original aerial kit. There's nothing wrong with these. So I'll be reusing all of these. This one just feels so light and flimsy. And this is at the bottom of the bumper, so you're not really gonna notice it. I can polish it and get that shine back. Yeah, so I'll try to reuse those original ones. But this is where it gets a bit techie. I need to drill some holes in the bumper so that it can take the hardware to mount these bits. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. But guys, this thing is coming together and it's starting to look like a proper A35 again. So guys, take a look at this. This is the aero kit installed on this side. I could have done it an easy way. I could have just lined them up by eye, get some self-tappers, but I wanted to stay true to the OEM spec. So I had the old bumper, I removed all the bumper inserts, I removed all the hardware, and I marked it up. My little template worked, and I'm happy with that. I'm happy with that. That's exactly how the original bumper was. It's very solid. Everything is in place on the aero kit. All these grills are in. All I'm gonna do now, there's a little connecting piece right here, and that's gonna complete this side. Here is that little piece. Pop that in like so. There you go. Now what I'm gonna do is complete this exact same process on the other side. You've seen it already, I don't need to bore you, and then we'll get this on the car. Guys, how sick does that look? Come on, man. Keep it moving. Alrighty guys, the next morning here, I ended up buckling down everything on the car. We went ahead and we fitted the under trays. Everything has been buckled down, and this thing drove amazing last night. Let me show you what we need to do now. So guys, look at that front end. This front end has come together and it looks so nice. The piano black on the white, it looks crazy. What also looks crazy is the lines, and I know a lot of you guys are gonna say, oh my God, I'm happy with this line, but we're gonna adjust it. I didn't do too much adjustments on all of these lines because Akil is still yet to repair this bonnet right here. I removed all the PPF before, and now it's time to just tackle this dent here, repair everything there, bodywork it, mask it all up, spray here. Then I can do the final lining up on everything. It's actually not too bad, but I just wanted to make sure that we sort out the bonnet first, final lining up, polish, and then I'm taking this car for a proper test drive, a proper rip, and that is going to be it for the build. I've got tons of mods to do to this build, so even though we're completing it in this episode, I'm still going to be modding this car, so stay tuned. Speaking of stay tuned for a crazy episode on the R8. Like I said in the last episode on this car, I found out who the previous owner was. He sent me tons of stuff, and I'm going to be showing you how this car was originally stolen. It's so mental, and what I'm going to be doing to prevent it from being stolen in the future. So stay tuned for that episode. But for now, let's finish off this car. Alrighty guys, have a look at that front end now. Look at the lines, look at the gaps. This is why I call Akil the GOAT, and I give that man his flowers every single day. You saw the entire process. He went ahead, bodyworked this little corner that was damaged, went ahead and got some body filler on there, sanded it, water sand. Now it's in primer, and all it was waiting for is some paint. I actually ran out of paint when we sprayed the other panels, so I went ahead and got some paint now that I've come back. Look what he's done, man. Like, come on, look at that. And this is what I was saying to you earlier. I'm not too worried about the lines and the gaps, because once the bonnet was fixed, I knew that we were going to take care of all of that, and I'm very happy with those lines. I'm very happy with the way that the bonnet is sitting. And come on, man, Akil done this thing. So Akil, thank you very much. Get in the comments, show Akil some love. This guy, he goes in. He's the GOAT, man. He's the GOAT. But anyway, enough of that. Let's get this sprayed and get this car out of here, man. Oh, for f***'s sake. Oh, no. It's upside down. That's better.
Five hours later.
Alright, so guys, have a look at that car. The front end on this car is looking so nice. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. But we've had some issues with the booth. As you can see, the bonnet still hasn't been sprayed. The booth is in use. I've literally been waiting all day. They're spraying 2 cars in the booth, Akil is. So we're gonna be staying late tonight, spraying this, and in the morning I'll fit it, but I don't want to delay this video any longer. So guys, I've got a few announcements, but before I do, I did manage to get this car out for a nice little rip. Check this out. So guys, with that out of the way, first announcement is, in the last episode, I said that I was giving away a Pan American grill, and here it is, brand new in the box. And just to prove it to you, I'm gonna open it on camera, obviously tape it back up. Brand spanking new Pan American grill in gloss black. I bought 2 at the expense of myself, and I'm giving it away to one of you guys. And I've chosen this particular person because they've given me so much help. From the first video on this car all the way through, every time I got a problem, they were the first persons in my DMs offering me help and advice. They hooked me up with a few people to get some mods done, etc, etc, and you were always pointing me in the right direction. So the winner of the grill is JDM_tuners. I'll put a picture up right here, so you should see that's the comment that he left. Like I said, he's been dropping me tons of information, and I couldn't have completed this build without you, mate. So thank you. get in touch with me, send over your postal details, and I'll get this shipped out to you. So, second announcement is I've decided to hold on to this car. I think that we can still make a lot of content on this car. I want to wrap it. I've got tons of mods to do, and I've decided to hold on to this car. So that means that another car must go. And if you follow me on Instagram, you will know I posted it yesterday. A lot of you guys got involved. I'm actually going to get rid of my M140. Yeah, my custom M140 build is going away, and it's gonna go to one of you guys because I'm gonna be raffling it. Early bird tickets just dropped yesterday. That is a second raffle that I've launched now. So click the link down below, get involved. I'm gonna be doing a video dedicated solely to that car because that was such an epic build and it means so much to me. But in the best interest of the channel, I've just got too many cars lying around. I need to get rid of all of these cars. So we're gonna be holding on to this. I think I've maxed out the content on the M140, and yeah, I would like to see it go to a good home, and I hope that whoever wins it looks after it. It's done me really well, and I've had a lot of fun, and I've done everything that I can possibly do to it, and I just want someone else to enjoy it. And the final announcement is we're wrapping up this, so in the next episode, once this is all done, I've got a new build, so check it out. Guys, in the name of DJ Khaled, another one. Let's go. So guys, I hope you enjoyed that. That's a new build that's coming. I hope you enjoyed this episode. If you did, press the like button. If you're watching this and you're not subscribed, press the subscribe button because we got so much stuff coming. If you want to get involved in any of my raffles, click the link down below. I've got a crazy episode on the R8 coming. You're going to want to see that, so make sure your bells are on like I said. And I'm going to head off, so like I always say, keep it moving, and I'll see you in the next one.